Welcome to PROMIS, a single entry point for integrated compliance and continuous improvement for European SMEs. This demo will provide a brief overview of the structure and functionality of the service. PROMIS is a software-as-a-service compliance interactive solution which offers an online, or intranet-based, working environment with ready structured templates for development, administration and management of an organization's own processes and structures which follow the requirements of ISO 9000, 14000, 27000, 29000, OSAs and other requirements. PROMIS has three important features for information structuring and filtering. First level, the pyramid from generic to sector, theme, domain-oriented. Second level, My PROMIS from generic to process-oriented, tailored to the structure of an organization. Third level, Blackboard or Navigator answer to employees' questions at a fingertip. Structuring of knowledge, the pyramid. The rotating, three-sided pyramid structures and protects institutional, as well as individual knowledge. It provides access to content, trainings and other sources of external and internal information. The pyramid allows to structure sector, theme, and domain-oriented information at will. To protect intellectual property. Each cell of the pyramid is completely editable and can include links to other multimedia content, for example text, films and multimedia. Structured training materials of public and private organizations can likewise be selected and accessed quickly through the pyramid. For example videos and materials for online learning and training. The structure of the pyramid can be freely defined. Each cell of the pyramid can be configured at will and is easy to be administrated. In PROMIS, different kind of questionnaires can be developed and used as a tool for quality assurance, initial data capture for consultancy projects, employee surveys. The Integrated Management System, My PROMIS. My PROMIS is structured in 9 different containers. Rules and regulations, cost control, roles and functions, infrastructure, materials, documents, processes, tasks, event. In each container you can structure all relevant information of your organization. My PROMIS is the compliance management system where, for example, processes, materials, infrastructure are recorded, managed and controlled. Management of processes. Here the relevant processes are described and controlled. Processes are linked with the related regulations, documents, events, roles, materials, etc. Within each container there is a hierarchical tree structure which can be further developed by the user. Processes can be divided into a number of sub-processes and steps. The process can be evaluated and assessed in terms of health and safety and environmental impact, as well as quality and financial implications. The process can be linked with any relevant aspect such as equipment or raw materials. Individual objects can also be linked with related items, such as a machine with the responsible operator. Objects can be described in detail, even including photographs or videos, and can be evaluated in terms of their importance for health and safety, environmental impact, quality and financial implications. PROMIS offers the possibility to create dynamic reports with specific information stored in the MyPromis. For example, it is possible to create a PDF report with all the dependencies that the making bread process has in the company. The navigator. In the navigator, the relevant information for each employee is individually completed. Schedules are transferred automatically to the navigator by the system. The personal and individually configured workspace for the user, and fast access to the answer of open questions. How to invite a consultant. With a specific search engine you can easily find and invite a consultant to collaborate with your organization. You can read the CV of all consultants and after selection, invite one or more of them to start a new collaboration. Select and invite a consultant to advise and support the daily work in your organization. Thank you for your attention. Please contact us, info@promisatservice.eu.